What's up with y'all, man? It's Blake SMooVe, man. Hey, I am back once again with my dog, Showtime JoJo. He did a prank on me, man. He painted my Escalade, man. He painted it. He painted my truck. It's cool though. I keep telling him, I am that guy. I do this. You feel me? He applied some pressure. I ain't gonna lie. My nigga applied some pressure. But you gotta understand. I am that nigga. Yes. I am that nigga. Hey man, we finna get into this video. Only reason because I don't even want to talk no more. I just want y'all to see what this man did. Let's get into this video.
I got what you need. I'm just letting you know that now. So it's up. It's there. I just want you to know. Come on, watch out.
Alright, nigga, move out the way. My nigga mean. I should skip my nigga intro. But that's my dog. Subscribe to the channel. Oh, hold on. I had to pause it right there. That's my first pause. This shit crazy. This shit crazy. Listen here. Subscribe to my new channel right now. It's right here. Subscribe to my new channel right now. Now let's get into this video.
Is it him? Can it be? Yeah, it's me, man. It's Showtime JoJo, and we back with another bang.
Talk that shit to him, then.
Damn, y'all seen the video Blake SMooVe did? You feel me?
Yeah,
Where this nigga
they better seen it.
A whole bunch of bingo chalk and shit on my motorcycle.
He said bingo
So
chalk.
today we gonna get his ass back. I done ordered 4 gallons of paint. About to go to his crib.
You like he can't even talk.
He gonna DoorDash
Or
at Twitter
5.
11:30. I'm gonna pull up, dump all that shit on this wheel, so when he get ready to dash, yeah.
Look like that bitch don't fit.
Hey, so make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all hit that notification bell. Stay tuned, stay locked in.
Subscribe to my dog. That's my man.
Pulling up to this nigga crib right now. He parked right outside in the front.
He talking like it's falling off. Look at that Beauty and the Beast right there. Beauty and the Beast. That nigga a hoe. Simple. That nigga a hoe. I was in the house. I was just finna leave too. I should have just got up and left. Talk to me then. Okay. I feel it. I feel it. My nigga out here playing with me. He think I'm playing. That's why I hope it get on your face. I feel it. Talk to me. Hey. Talk to me then. This boy just don't understand what's coming up. I apply nothing but pressure. Blake SMooVe. I apply nothing but pressure. Oh, he holding on my whip. He touching my whip. Pouring that stuff on my whip. Yeah, I hope it get on your face. Pouring that stuff on my whip.
I got that shit on my head.
Yeah, I hope it get on your face.
I think that's enough.
Yeah, it's on his face.
I think that's enough.
It's on his
I got this
face.
shit all on my head, my shoes. Look at this shit. Oh my. He gonna be mad as fuck.
That's why I say Beauty and the Beast, because my side messed up. I'm going to get it fixed. Don't trip.
Look at this shit. He gonna be mad as fuck. Should I do the red? I got red. Oh my. Oh, he gonna be mad as fuck. Hey, but I don't give a fuck though. Cause this nigga did that shit to my motorcycle. I don't give a fuck. You know what? Just cause of that, I'm gonna smear it.
All that talk, cuz.
Jamaican Bob.
Now y'all see him talking now. All that talk. He ain't gonna be talking when I do mine. When I get him back, he not gonna be talking.
He's gonna smear it all around. Now this nigga gonna be real.
Y'all hear him?
Real sickly. I told him, cuz don't fuck with me.
Listen.
Fuck me.
Listen to it. Yeah. Yeah. I like that.
Hold on, y'all can't even see me. Y'all can't even see me.
I like that. Talk that shit to me. This my nigga, dog.
So he won't know nothing else. And I got this shit all over my hands and everything. Man, we in there. We ain't done, though. I gotta know.
Talk to me then.
We ain't done.
I like that he came back. I like that. I like that. Apply that pressure to me then. Okay, yeah. I see him having fun. You see that? Y'all see that? He having fun right there. Yeah, look at him. He having fun. Stay tuned. Subscribe to this channel if you new.
I got that shit on my face, huh? Oh shit!
Yeah.
That shit on my
Yeah. It's on there.
My lips were dry and shit. Look at my hoodie.
Yeah, look at that hoodie. That's how I like
That's
it.
it. That's it.
Boy, boy, if I was like Kimbo Slice, I'd have grabbed that nigga and rubbed that nigga all on the front of the truck. But I wasn't thinking. I was trying to go get this money. I was door dashing that same day.
He gonna be so mad. Look at this shit.
I was mad, but I wasn't so mad.
He gonna be so fucking mad, though.
I was mad, but I
Like,
wasn't so
subscribe.
mad.
Let me know what y'all think of this video. Hey, look at this nigga shit. Look at the top of my head. I gotta wash my cap. You feel me? Look at my clothes, my shoes. There's all of this shit.
I like that he got dirty.
We done got this nigga. We about to go in the crib and we gonna walk out with him. You feel me? And let him see our work. Hey, but stay tuned, stay locked in. We gone. What up, though? What up?
Big dog. I'm like, you look like you ain't did enough.
Oh man, Duke believe. Ordered to paint. Oh man. Oh man.
I'm in this bitch about to smack the camera on his face.
Yeah, alright. Yeah, alright, look, hey, hold on.
Alright, nigga. Fuck you touching the door for it.
Hey, hey.
Ha!
He trying to wash it off the windshield.
I done ran out of windshield wiper fluid. That done pissed me off right there.
Smearing it all over the place.
I'm trying to move it.
You ain't got no fluid.
You feel me? My fluid ran out.
God, look at it. Oh, man. Damn.
Like, damn, nigga. Feel like real paint.
Look at it. Hey, look at it.
I gotta go to the car wash.
Like, comment, subscribe,
Boy, that boy
man.
not ready for what's coming next.
Hey,
That's my dog, though. That boy not ready for what's coming next. Look, I already knew what I was gonna do.
Don't tell me if it's real paint or not. I got what you need. I'm just letting you know that now. So
If he'd have been like real paint, I got what he need
it's
then.
there.
You
I
feel
just
me?
want you to know.
Cause he got an all white whip. All white. All white.
hey, did I get him or what? Hey, he mad as hell. Ain't no car wash open, y'all. So
I knew it was somewhere to go.
real mad. He going like 80 right now. Look at my work, y'all.
I feel
I
you.
did so good. I impressed myself. Hey, I got this shit all.
I was going like
Shit, though, that
40.
shit crazy. I impressed myself. I impressed myself.
Talk that shit to me. That boy not ready.
I got this shit like
Subscribe if you
all
know.
over my face and shit. That shit all over my head. So it was gonna be no way that I was gonna be able to go in that nigga crib. Like I ain't just paint this nigga whip up. I got this shit all over my face because the motherfucking wind was blowing. So
Torpedo head looking ass nigga, boy.
it went through my leg, kind of.
My nigga mean. Marble head ass nigga. Look at this ugly ass nigga, boy. These niggas in.
What's good with you?
Look, Blake been doing pranks.
Look, hear this nigga. Here, listen to him.
So they finally got his ass back. His car looked like a damn Corolla box.
The damn Corolla box.
What if this shit don't come off? He about to come out the car wash looking insane.
Look, we went out so crazy. He put Showtime on the window and I ain't even know it. I peeped it right now. He put Showtime on the window.
Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. This nigga about to be coming out in a minute, but hey, stay tuned. We gone, you hear?
He done fucked the whole whip up. I'm back around again.
Oh, I really fucked him up, though.
I knew what I was gonna do. Don't let it dry. Get straight to it.
He got some more coming though.
Look at this nigga. I'm gonna get that nigga back
Hey, this shit
again
ain't gonna
too.
stop, man. This shit is not gonna stop.
Hey man, if y'all feel like I should get him back right now, like this video. If y'all feel like I should get him back right now, like this video, man. Comment and subscribe. Hey, I gotta get up out of here, but hey, I'm gone.